They all wear masks, not the carnival masks of painted wood or paper, but subtle, invisible masks, woven from the roles we play in life. The mask you wear before your family, the persona you put on at work, the version of yourself you show your friends. Each of them feels slightly different, doesn't it? This is what I call the persona, the public face. It is not false, not entirely, but neither is it the whole truth. The persona is necessary. Society demands it. Without it, we could not function among others. But there is danger when the mask becomes too strong. When you forget the face beneath it, then you are no longer living, but performing, not being, but acting. To rediscover who we truly are, we must begin a journey I call individuation. Individuation is not the pursuit of perfection, it is the pursuit of wholeness. To be whole, you must walk into the depths of the mind, into the unconscious. The unconscious has two great layers. The first is the personal unconscious. This is where you bury your forgotten memories, your unspoken desires, your rejected emotions, all the things you could not face you placed here. And they do not die. They live as complexes, little fragments of the psyche, like splinters of emotion. They can influence your behavior, control your reactions, even shape your destiny, all without your awareness. But beneath this, far deeper, lies a greater ocean, the collective unconscious. This is not created by you, this is something you are born with. It is the storehouse of all human experience. Myth, dream, instinct, wisdom, shared by every soul that has ever lived. Here dwell the archetypes, the eternal images that shape our stories, our fears, our hopes. The hero, who ventures into the unknown, facing trial and triumph. The mother, source of safety, nurture, and life itself. The wise old man, guide and mentor, carrying knowledge of ages. The trickster, playful, disruptive, a reminder of chaos within order. And then, the one most feared of all, the shadow. The shadow is everything you refuse to see in yourself. The greed, the envy, the lust, the rage, the impulses you judge as evil, the thoughts you push away in shame. Most of us spend our lives projecting the shadow outward, condemning in others what we cannot admit in ourselves. It is easier to fight the monster outside than to face the one within. But if you truly seek to become whole, if you seek your true self, you must confront the shadow. Not destroy it, not deny it, but integrate it. For the shadow is not only darkness, it is energy, creativity, power, passion, once hidden, now returned to you. To deny it is to remain broken. To accept it is to be transformed. The path of individuation is not easy. It is solitary, demanding. It requires brutal honesty. It asks you to strip away illusion, layer by layer, until nothing false remains. But on this path, you cease to live as a mask. You cease to be a reflection of society's expectations. You become yourself, not a fragment, not a role, but a whole being, light and dark, conscious and unconscious, woven together into harmony. Individuation is not about changing who you are. It is about remembering who you have always been. And in that remembering, you unmask the true self.